Welcome to Legendary Stuffs. In today's comprehensive tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of creating an Alibaba affiliate program account and show you how to earn passive income through affiliate marketing. The Alibaba affiliate program offers a fantastic opportunity to promote a wide range of products and earn generous commissions. Whether you're a blogger, influencer, or online entrepreneur, this step-by-step guide will help you unlock the full potential of the Alibaba affiliate program. In this segment, we'll provide an in-depth introduction to the Alibaba affiliate program. We'll explain how affiliate marketing works, the benefits of joining the program, and the potential earnings you can achieve. You'll discover why the Alibaba affiliate program is a lucrative choice for affiliate marketers, with its extensive product selection and competitive commission rates. Now it's time to get started with your Alibaba affiliate account. We'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your account. From visiting the Alibaba affiliate program website to signing up and providing the necessary information, we'll ensure that you have a smooth and hassle-free account creation experience. By the end of this segment, you'll be ready to take the next steps towards earning passive income. Once your account is set up, it's time to explore the Alibaba affiliate program dashboard. In this segment, we'll walk you through the various features and tools available to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. You'll learn how to generate affiliate links, track performance metrics, and utilize the promotional materials provided by Alibaba. By harnessing these powerful tools, you can enhance your marketing strategies and increase your chances of success. Selecting the right products to promote is essential for success as an affiliate marketer. In this segment, we'll share valuable strategies for product selection within the Alibaba affiliate program. You'll learn how to identify profitable niches, research product demand and competition, and leverage customer reviews and ratings. Armed with these strategies, you'll be able to choose products that align with your target audience and have the potential to generate substantial commissions. It's time to put your affiliate links to work and drive traffic to your promoted products. In this segment, we'll explore various marketing strategies to effectively promote your affiliate links. From creating compelling content, utilizing social media platforms, leveraging email marketing, and even exploring paid advertising options, you'll gain valuable insights into attracting targeted audiences and boosting your affiliate earnings. Monitoring and analyzing your performance is crucial for optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. In this segment, we'll delve into performance metrics and analytics within the Alibaba Affiliate Program dashboard. You'll learn how to track clicks, conversions, and commissions, and leverage this data to make informed decisions and refine your marketing strategies. Understanding your performance metrics will help you identify what works best for your audience and maximize your earning potential. To wrap up our tutorial, we'll share some proven techniques and best practices for succeeding as an Alibaba Affiliate Program member. We'll discuss the importance of building trust with your audience, the power of content creation, and the significance of ongoing optimization and experimentation. By following these best practices, you'll be well equipped to continuously improve your affiliate marketing results and increase your passive income. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our comprehensive tutorial on the Alibaba Affiliate Program. By following the steps and strategies outlined in this video, you're now ready to create your account, promote products, and earn passive income as an affiliate marketer. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more valuable tutorials and tips. Now, go forth and embark on your affiliate marketing journey with the Alibaba Affiliate Program.